Hey, what's up everyone? So today I wanted to really bring up this topic about supplements. I get this all the time. Actually, before I became a personal trainer, I was very interested in supplements myself, and they just really can hinder you if you don't know what they're doing for you. And what I mean by that is a supplement's really only going to do 2 to 5% of your overall work. And a lot of people put a lot of energy into the supplement's going to do half of it for me, and it really just doesn't work that way. So you take your fat burner, you think you can eat a piece of chocolate cake because you had a fat burner. That's your excuse. And it's really just hindering you, and it's making that hole even deeper. I call it's like an illusionary safety net, because you think there's a safety net there to protect you, and it's really not going to do it. So what it really comes down to, if you're looking to make healthy lifestyle choices, you have to make overall healthy lifestyle choices. So it's the foods that you eat, the sleep that you get. Proper breathing is very important as well. Exercise, proper exercise. And if I could tell anyone one particular thing that will absolutely work for you, focus on just one thing at a time. Always focus on one thing. See, focusing on the supplement, which is only going to do 2 to 5% of the work, that's not a good thing to focus on, because you're not going to feel any different after taking the supplement. And if you haven't really pushed yourself to a level of needing to push yourself, then the supplement's really not going to do anything for you anyway. But if you focus on just one thing at a time, you'd be surprised how everything else comes together. So for instance, have you ever done like an insane exercise, and then how do you eat after you do that really intense exercising? Most likely you're going to eat a little bit cleaner, right? And if you eat cleaner, most likely you might want to exercise a little bit more. Your body's going to naturally want to do healthier things, and if you just focus on one healthy thing. But if you focus on too many things at once, you do a bunch of things at an average level, and that's not good either. So what it comes down to is do your best, focus on one particular thing that you can do, and do that at 100%, because everything else will fall into play. And what I mean by supplements don't work, you can't take a supplement and expect it to make everything else fall into play. You take a supplement, you don't feel any different. You actually feel like you can do more of the bad things that you want to do if you're the average consumer. Now, people who are in professional sports who are looking to take a supplement just to get that little extra edge, I get that. I get how you want to get that extra 2 to 5%, because that makes a big difference when everybody's at the same level. That extra 2 to 5% could be the difference between winning and losing. But if you're looking just for overall natural health, if you're looking just to be a healthy individual, just focus on one important thing that you can do for your body, and it's not taking a supplement, but eating the right foods, staying away from processed sugars maybe, getting proper sleep, focusing on your breathing. Focus on little things, and do 100% focus on that one thing, and watch it bring everything else together. It's the coolest feeling ever when you're feeling healthy mentally, spiritually, and physically. So I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll talk to you later.